Hey guys, it's Coogly again with another video, and I am very excited about this one today. I have been waiting for this package. From the title you already know what this is, but I have been waiting for this one. Let's get started. So guys, this is, from the title you can see, the Insta360 go-to camera, which I have been looking forward to get this one for a long time. The reason being, well, it is something which I really wanted. It is a very small action camera. Now if you don't know, I already have an action camera which I have been using for quite some time, but this is just so much more convenient. It says I get 1 year warranty with bill. As you probably know, there was a great Indian shopping festival, which technically is still running because it is now called the Extra Happiness Unlock Feast or whatever it is called. I'm just guessing that they didn't get to sell everything that they wanted to sell. And I don't know what this is actually. Wow, it's a t-shirt. It's an Insta360 t-shirt. I did not think that I'll be getting a t-shirt with it, but no, it's okay. But this is what I really wanted to show you guys. This is the camera. It is the tiniest stabilized action camera out there, and it is really cool. It's the Insta360 go-to. Now there are a lot of things now which I don't know about this one, so I will be discovering that while I use it. It is something which I am looking forward to quite a bit. But well, here is what's in the box. You can get the camera itself, the charging case. It's like a, it's an AirPod kind of a thing. Charging cable, I have heard that you can only use this charging cable because of Type-C protocol. Magnetic pendant, easy clip, pivot stand, quick start guide, and that is pretty much it. I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna see if it works. My hand is still not healed, so please bear with me. God damn it. Let's see. So yeah, I'll keep that aside. Yeah, kinda, sort of, maybe. Okay, I want to pull on it. Okay, the unboxing experience is not the best, but woo, that is cool. So, oh wow, okay, the magnet is pretty strong. I had people say that the magnet is not very strong, but it's pretty strong. I won't say that. Okay, it even has a peel-off sticker, which dissipate heats and will get hot during whatever. So yeah, better to stick it to microphone. This is the action cam itself. In context, this is the action cam which I have been using. This is the SJ Cam SJ6 Legend, which has, well, the main reason I'm using it is because it has a microphone input. It works really well, but it won't ever be just this, right? Because you need to have this, which is the case for it, on whatever you mount it, because it doesn't have a mounting point on its own other than the 1/4" thread, and it will usually be this big whenever I take it out. So look at the difference. Yeah, that's how it is. That's how small it is. You can just have it in your hand and just shoot whatever you need, and it is fully stabilized. It's a 360. It's an Insta360 product. If you don't know Insta360, their software is amazing. Yeah, there's no question about that. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. So think big. Okay, I will. Ooh, it comes with, okay, this is where it has the pendant. That's why it was super strong. First step, okay, take it out. Okay, got it. Second step is get the pendant out, I guess. So how do I get the pendant out? Okay, this is how it is, and you have the pendant. It is adjustable. Okay, for those who didn't know, they thought that it is not adjustable. It is, and it is pretty strong actually. Dotted outline facing outwards. Okay, so this should be outward. Yeah, I mean, it makes sense. It is flatter side, so this one needs to be outside. So I'm just gonna wear it now because what not? And okay, my t-shirt is definitely not the one to go for. You know what? I'll wear the Insta360 t-shirt because why not? So I have changed into the Insta360 thing. Okay, just so you know, they have a lot of text here, which is also kind of faded because I'm pretty sure this t-shirt was there in their warehouse for a long time. Anyways, that doesn't matter. So here is the pendant. So I just want to try a quick fit on how it works. Have I done the peel? I haven't done the peel yet. God damn it. Okay, so it has a peel here, which is, wait, okay. Oh my god, that is strong. So peel number 1, good. Okay, let's get this on. Cool. So you need to have the dotted side outside. Cool. And peel number 2 is this one, which is also pretty strong. Okay, so you have that, and god damn, that is strong. You know, seriously, it really looks like you're just not holding anything. Okay, I'm not sure because the angle of this would be a little higher on the top side, which is not ideal. I'm pretty sure you can adjust the pendant a little bit more so that it is a bit more down. Depends on your build and chest or whatever. So yeah, okay, this I think is a bit better. Okay, so we have that. Let's go continue with the unboxing stuff because there are a lot more to think of and see. Okay, so magnetic pendant instructions. Okay, it shows you a pictorial instruction just in case you don't know what to do. So yeah, okay, it's a card, so you can keep it with you if you want. Quick start guide. Who uses quick start guide anymore? So these are the things that you get with it. First of all is the USB cable. I have seen or I have heard that these USB cables are pretty special. You have to use this one for transfer of data and also charging, which is kind of dumb. This is the clip thing. I guess it has a metal or magnet too, and yes, it clips on super hard. It has a clipper. I am actually planning on it using this with my cap, and yes, it has a, I guess, a 270-degree thing. It works. That is one way you can mount it. You also have an anywhere mount kind of a thing, which is also cool. Okay, it comes with a lanyard, which is cool. It has this 360-degree mount, which you can adjust and do it in any way possible, because that is cool. This has a sticky pad. Yeah, you have to remove the plastic for it. It has a sticky pad, or if you don't want to use that, you can actually use it as a selfie stick, or you know, a very basic selfie stick. I believe you can also do this and close it because it has a divot for the lens. And yeah, it will work. But to be honest, why would you use this as a selfie stick if you have one of the smartest charging cases of all time for anything? This is the charging case. It is super small. Like, my headphones are larger than this one. This is larger than the camera case. Like, seriously, this is AirPod territory, like AirPod Pro territory. Okay, granted this is not the smallest thing ever, but still, it's understandable. Let's open it up and see. Okay, the charging case quality is not really that good because I can see a flex. When I open it, press to connect. Press what to connect? Should I press this? Connecting. Should this be on? Should I place it here? Oh, I think I should be placing it here. Connecting. Okay, still connecting. Okay, by the time it is connecting, I will show you. Okay, basically it also has a tripod kind of a functionality. It does have a 1/4-inch thread, so you can use it as a tripod. Also, this is something you can, you know, use as a tripod. Okay, again, not the most strong design, but it's still there. It just got a vibration, so it just says connecting still. Yay, language. Good. Can I change? No, I don't want to change language. Okay, English. Set language to English, yes. Okay, I have modes: video, photo, pro video, time shift, time lapse, HDR video, slow mo, settings, and video again. I will have to connect this to my phone, I guess. Does it stop? Oh, when it is closed, it just automatically stops and it just charges. So I will be charging this because it needs to be charged, and I will be getting all of this figured out and see what I can do with it, because I am very excited for this. There is a quick start guide, but you already know how to quick start it in a billion languages because that's how things go. Yeah, this one actually does have all the information which you might need anyways, and everything included. Ooh, you also get stickers, I think. Yes, you have stickers. Of course, you can't miss out the stickers. As if you haven't paid anyone enough. You have to pay more for the advertisement. Hey, you can be a walking billboard. Anyways, that is pretty much it about the camera. I would love to start shooting with this one and see what this can do. Cool. I'm actually really excited about seeing how the software is for this one, because that is what I'm really excited for. So yeah, just for your information, charging case is not waterproof, because this one is actually waterproof. I think it will show that it is waterproof. It is waterproof, but only the camera. You cannot actually dunk the charging case inside, just so you know. Anyways, that's pretty much it about the camera. Hope you guys liked the video. Please share, subscribe, and like the video if you found it useful. See you guys next time.